Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this makeup look right here. This is my everyday makeup routine. If you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep watching and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing I start off by doing is doing my eyebrows. So I use an eyeshadow palette and I use this shade right here, the darkest shade, and a angled brush, is it called? So next thing I do is I go in with foundation. I use this True Match foundation, this one in Cappuccino, this one right here. And then I damp my beauty blender just because I feel like it makes everything blend really nicely when it's damp. Okay, so next I apply this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch, I believe it's in Butterscotch. Yeah, Butterscotch. Like, so these are the areas I apply concealer onto. I literally don't know why, but this is what I've done and I feel like it suits my face, but different people apply concealer differently just based on your face shape. So then immediately I blend out my mouth area and then I blend out here last. And so then I blend out the sides as well. Okay, so that's the side blended and my mouth area. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend out this as well. I just apply concealer on here because I feel like it lifts your face a little bit. It gives you that kind of fox eye look. Okay, now before I blend out my under eyes, I'm going to go in with contour. This is the brush that I use for contour and I use the Sleek palette. Right, so to contour, I use this shade right here in the middle. It's basically nearly done. I used to use this for my brows actually, but then it became like too brown. So yeah, I use this one to contour. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. As you can see, like it's very pigmented. And I kind of bring it down here. I don't know why, but yeah. Then I contour my forehead because anything I could do to make this forehead look smaller would be absolutely brilliant. Okay, so this is basically the contour that I do, but before I finish off everything else, I'm going to blend out my under eyes. So I like to let this concealer sit for as long as I can, really. because it creates a fuller coverage when it's on your face for longer. So I'm going to blend it out now. I'm trying to keep it all kind of in this region. Yep, so look how full coverage this concealer is, you guys. Like, it's 10 out of 10 for me. So then I'm gonna set my face quickly before it starts creasing. I use this light banana powder from Revolution. So then I use this to highlight. Okay, now it's time for blush. This is like my favorite part of my whole entire routine. Yep, so I use this blush right here with this brush. So this is how my makeup is looking so far. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is my everyday makeup routine. Super basic, super quick, super simple. So yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got any questions. Yes, I will catch you on my next video. Bye.